we're ready to assemble the right Z-roller. It mounts on the printer like this, and all left-rights are given from the back of the printer. So this is the right one. Okay, so I start with the center bearing. Drop that in place. Try to line the bearing up. Put the bolt through. If it doesn't go, keep pressure on it. Take a screwdriver and adjust the bearing. It'll come right through. Very easy to adjust. Okay, so there's one bearing in. For the other ones, I found it's easier to preload them. Turn all the bolts up, drop the bearing on the bolt. Now pick it up as a unit, slide it in, tighten the nut. Don't tighten it all the way, just finger tighten it for now. Pick it up as a unit, put it in place. This one has a little short on space because of the tab here. But just keep going. There's 3. Tighten the nut. 4. Tighten the nut. They're actually pretty easy to assemble. So this is the X-axis conduit holder. Put these nuts in the slots. Hold this in place. And put in one of the screws. They're 1/2-inch screws. Tighten that. Do the next one. Now those nuts on this part will fall out, so you want to do only what you have to. Not sure why they're not tight like the other ones are. Turn it over, do the same thing again. 1, 2, 3. And start tightening. We only have to get them to hold, because we don't want to tighten this up till we get the conduit in place, and we're just assembling the parts right now. So there is the completed part. The way this works is you put a conduit through, and that'll be like this, and it'll slide up and down with the stepper motor. It works really well. Once you get it on the conduit, you can tighten all these up, but I found that it goes in better if you leave them loose, and they'll conform to the conduit, and they'll make it a little easier for you. And this would be the X-axis conduit mounts. So, ingenious little design. So there we go. It's that easy. If you like the videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.